In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 mistakes that I made that actually helped me grow my YouTube channel right to 1,000 subscribers, so I was able to monetize it. Wait, did you hear that right? Mistakes that helped me grow my channel? Yes. So as you know, if you want to monetize your channel, you've got to get to 1,000 subscribers and your videos have got to be watched for a total of 4,000 hours, which seems like a long time. So this was mistake number 1, was focusing on the subscriber count. Why? Because I didn't get the watch hours. No, actually my videos got the 4,000 hours of being watched, public watch time, long before I got to the 1,000 subscribers. So that bit wasn't a problem. Well, why is it a mistake to focus on the 1,000 subscribers? Because you can't control who's going to subscribe. So focusing on the number of subscribers I had was pretty much a distraction because it made me feel like I'm never going to get there. It's kind of like staring at the scoreboard the whole time that you're playing a game. Like, that's not going to work. Instead, focus on the things that are going to get you subscribers, such as asking people to subscribe, creating better videos, picking good topics, improve your thumbnails, descriptions, tags. Focus on the process because that's something that you can control. And if you follow that process, that's going to help you get to your 1,000 subscribers. Mistake number 2 was focusing on the view count. Well, what's wrong with that? The number of views on a particular video is only one metric on the way to getting to your 1,000 subscribers. Sure, videos that get more views are more popular, but what if they're getting views and then everybody's dropping off? They're not watching for very long. Or what if I've got better videos that should be doing better? I kind of neglected those little videos that didn't do so well, and they were poor little puppies. Now, how this helped is it showed me what actually was doing well, and so that helped me to focus my channel. So don't look on the videos that have failed as failures. They're great teachers. They're telling you this is not working, and that's really, really valuable data. Mistake number 3 in growing my channel was over editing. Look, I get it. I understand that you like to have flashy things and you like to have interruptions, pattern interrupts, and things that are going to get attention. But I was really spending too much time doing editing. And what I found was that the videos that did the best were the ones that didn't even have any editing in it, or very little. It was a mistake because it burnt up my time and my energy, but it was a good thing. It helped because, hey, I learned a little bit about editing. Still got a long way to go, but that's been valuable. So what I would do next time is get videos out there earlier and then worry about the editing as I grow my channel. Well, this 4th mistake was the worst one because it was not researching first, not researching topics. Imagine that you are going fishing and you're using the wrong bait, or you're going to an area where you know the fish are not, or you're just throwing lines in everywhere and hoping that the right bait and the right fish and the right hook are all going to come together. Well, that's what I did because I did very little research of topics ahead of time. I just thought, wow, this will be a good idea. Let's give it a go. It would have been better for me to research some videos and to see whether other people had already created videos about those topics, which would indicate that they were something that might be really interesting to people. And it also got me used to kicking the ball and missing a lot. Mistake number 5 was thinking that I was doing this all alone. I never realized how many people were cheering me on, were following me, were subscribers. And then once I started getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, they were cheering me on. They were there saying, "You're going to get there. I can't wait. Are you monetized yet?" It was really, really wonderful. And what that also helped with was it made me more attentive to the comments, which gave me ideas for future videos. So what I would do differently next time is get the people involved much earlier on. Tell them I am going for 1,000 subs. I am trying to get there, and here is my journey. I definitely wouldn't go and do the subs for subs thing. I'll subscribe to you if you subscribe to me. But I would be aware that those people who are viewing and especially commenting on your videos are the ones who are your audience. And so respond to them and somehow get them involved in the journey, because many of them are just a little bit behind you, and or maybe even a little bit ahead of you. And so you can encourage each other much more than you're just following some of the big shots. So there you are. Those are 5 mistakes that have actually helped me, unexpectedly helped me to grow my channel. Share with you 5 mistakes that I made that actually helped. And now I'm monetized. So I've learned to earn from my mistakes. You get it? Earn, learn from your... Just cut that out.